Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $3.92 that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes. I actually already figured out my wallet. That's getting my usual amount, $170. So I will be putting and spending $30, eating out $30. Groceries will get $80 this week. Coffee, $20. And buffer 10. So that is $170 for my wallet. And that's a good chunk of this amount. So I will have $222 now left to put into everything else. I'm actually going to first start off with some savings challenges. So let me get some dice and I'm going to roll 3 times for the Here for the Snacks challenge and see what I get for this one. All right, so I got 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 is the little Mickey waffle, and that's $1. $1. Then I have a 5 and 6. 5 and 6 is another Mickey waffle, so that's another $1. This is a nice, easy challenge if you do low rolls. So 4 and 2. Another Mickey waffle. Okay, so $3 is going in this challenge. Oh, and this is actually the last time I'm doing a cash stuffing for 2025. So I will have a new planner set up. Same sheets, but a new look for my budget planner. Okay, so that is Here for the Snacks. And then I do have Cash Dash, which is this one right here. I'm just going to do 5, and then hopefully with leftover money I can bump that up to put a little bit more in that one. So 5 for now for this challenge. And then 100 envelope, same thing. Planning for 5, and probably will put more with leftover money. Okay, so those are the challenges I wanted to do first. Now I'm going into some envelopes for some priority ones that I have. Okay, first up is extra savings. This week I think I can do 15 and be okay. Yeah, I think 15 is a good amount. I look at like what I did in the past, and I think 15 should be fine. Okay, month ahead we'll get 15. Okay. And then one other binder is in here. Tires will get 15. Treat yourself will get 15. Okay, everything else is probably gonna get 5s. Yeah, I think so. Lots of 5s. Actually, Auto's gonna get 10. Yeah, Auto will get 10. Electronics 5. Emergency, actually this will get 10. It's a little bit more of a priority, but not a big priority. Furniture, okay. This will get 5. It's not a priority, so just 5. Rainy day. Oh, actually, I kind of want to put 10 in here. Road trip will get 5. Sunseat, 5. Subscriptions, 5. Travel, 5. Am I gonna have enough for this? Oh my goodness, I don't know. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 85. Oh, I barely have enough. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm basically putting 5 in everything, but I'll just keep going, flipping through them, even though I'm writing 5 for everything. Okay, so Go Wild will get 5. Getting lots of 5s today at the bank. 5 for Disneyland. I already did tire shoes. This is why I get those out of the way first, because then at least my priority ones get a good chunk. 5 for fun, 5 for hobbies. This one. Okay, beauty is getting 5. Clothing's getting 5. Costco. Yeah, actually I'm going to Costco, so that's getting 5. Family is getting 5. Gifts, 5. Home, 5. Household, 5. Nothing in pantry. Target, 5. Okay, and then I have 2 in here. Christmas is getting 5, and this is saving towards next year's Christmas. Already starting with that. Holiday decor is getting 5. Okay. Left with 19, and I still have 3 challenges left. So I have the Treat Yourself challenge, which I'm just going to plan for 5 for this one. I will put 10 in this one so I could color in 2 of these little piggies because I think they're so cute. I want to color in 2. So this will get 10, and then the 4 will go in the $1 challenge. Okay, so that is the full $3.92. I stretched that as much as I can to fit in every single envelope that I have. Savings challenge, all the things. So I'm good. I'm happy with that breakdown. But first I need to check, make sure my number is correct. Just calculate all this again. Numbers look good. I have $3.92. So now I'm gonna do the tallies. 10 for auto, so that's a $10 bill. And then I have a 5, a 10, 15, 5, 15, 10. Okay, a few 5s here. 15, 5, a bunch of 5s here. This is all 5s. This is all 5s? Yes, this is all 5s. So all this is 5s. 5s. And then 3. No, sorry. Yeah. Here for the stacks. Yes, it's 3. I got confused. So 3, 10. So that's 2 5s. And then 4. Okay, so I'm going to count the tallies. So I have 150, 20s, I have 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 5s. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. And then I have 1s. So that is 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. Yeah, 12. Okay. And then I'm going to multiply these. So 50 times 1 is 50. 3 times 20 is 60. 11 times 10 is 110. 30 times 5 is 150. 12 times 1 is 12. Sorry, I messed up somewhere. I messed up somewhere. I missed a 10 right here on Treat Yourself. So this actually has 12. So this is 120. Okay. So that's 50, 60, 120, 150, and 12. 392. Okay. So that is now correct. And I'm just going to write down on this little sticky note so I can give it to the teller all of the amounts that I need. So that's $50. For 20s, I need 30. That's $60. 10s, I need 12. That's 120. And then the 5s, I need 35s. That's 150. 1s, 12, $12. That's a total of $392. I'll be taking out of the bank today for my last cash stuffing of 2025. Okay, so that's super exciting. I'm working currently on a new setup video for my budget planner, so you'll see my new budget planner for 2026 soon. And then also I want to do a review now that this will be my last cash stuffing video, I can finally do a little review. Well, first I need to do my unstuffing video, so I can do my savings review. I want to just review everything that happened this year, at least in my budget planner. So I want to be able to finish this section up. Before I do that, go over my goals. I have a bunch of videos that I need to film, so you'll have lots of content to watch if you're off this week like I am, for the rest of the year. I'll be working on content, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, that is going to be my cash planning for this week. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.